Now we are with some question number 1, exercise 1.4 part 3. Okay, so here also 64 upon 445 is given as rational number, and we have to find whether its decimal expansion is of terminating type or non-terminating repeating type. Okay, so let us factorize the denominator. हमें denominator को factorize करना है, prime factors में break करना है, right? So 5 9s are what? 45, 5 1s are 5. Okay, और ये आगे किसकी टेबल में जा सकता है? 7 से जाएगा, यस, 7 1s are 7, कैरी ओवर 2, 7 3s are 21 एंड 13 1s are 13. This means 455 can be written as what? 5 into 7 into 13. हम 455 को 5 into 7 into 13 लिख सकते हैं. ओके, अब क्या ये 2 एंड 5 के फैक्टर्स में केवल ब्रेक हो रहा है? 5 तो है यहाँ पे बट 2 है, नो, 2 इज नॉट देयर. सो डिनोमिनेटर मस्ट बी फैक्टराइज्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 2 raised to power n into 5 raised to power m only. Is that clear? So in this case it is not so. So what we shall write? So since denominator cannot be expressed, since the denominator cannot be expressed in product of, cannot be expressed as in product of prime factors, in product of prime factors 2 power n into 5 power m. ओके, ये फैक्टराइज नहीं हो पा रहा है उस फैक्टर्स में. hence we can say that hence the given rational number, you can write hence the given rational number has decimal expansion, क्या होगा इसमें? डेसिमल एक्सपांशन. टर्मिनेटिंग टाइप नहीं होगा. ओके, तो टर्मिनेटिंग टाइप नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग टाइप. क्या होगा? नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग टाइप. हैज़ डेसिमल एक्सपांशन, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग टाइप. आई होप आपको ये क्लियर हो गया होगा. सो नाउ वी आर मूविंग ऑन टू अवर नेक्स्ट question. 15 upon 1600. So again we have to factorize. Okay, 1600 देखते हैं. 1600 सबसे पहले 2s में आएगा. Yes, 2 8s are 16. Sorry, 2 8s are 16. 0 0 हम लिख देंगे. Okay, 2 4s are 8. 0 0. Next 2 2s are 4. 0 0. 2 1s are 2. 0 0 again. 2 50s are 100. Okay, then 2 25s are 50, then 5 5s are 25, then 5 1s are 5. Is that clear to you? Okay, this means now what we are getting, we can express 1600 as what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 2 into 2. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 times 2 and 2 times 5. Okay, so this can be expressed as 1600 can be expressed as what? 2 raised to power 6 into 5 raised to power 2. हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. Okay, now since denominator can be expressed, since denominator can be expressed as product of prime factors 2 raised to power n into 5 raised to power m, है ना? where अब यहाँ पे n कितना है? See, n is here n is what? 6 and m is what? 2. m is what? 2. Hence we can say that the given rational number has decimal expansion of what? Terminating type, right? Decimal expansion of terminating type. Why terminating type? Because we have expressed the denominator completely in terms of 2 raised to power n into 5 raised to power m, where n is what, 6, and m is what, 2. Okay, so in this video we have completed again 2 parts. Okay, in next video we will continue the same sum with next parts. Thank you.